Meaning of exoneration.
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 Exoneration. Exoneration refers to the act of clearing someone from blame or responsibility for a wrongdoing they were previously accused of. It is a legal term that indicates a person has been found not guilty or absolved of blame through evidence or lack of evidence. The result of exoneration is that the individual is no longer held responsible for the alleged wrongdoing and their record is cleared. This can occur in criminal cases, civil cases, or even in situations where a person's reputation has been wrongly tarnished. Exoneration is an important aspect of justice and fairness in the legal system.